what's up everyone? It's Mixie and welcome back to my channel. I know it seems like forever since I uploaded a video, but from now on I'm definitely going to be uploading on a regular basis. And first things first, I did change the channel name. It used to be A lo mejor funciona, but now it's going to be called Mixietronics. So I hope you guys like the new name. So let's get started. I'm so excited. I got the Nick box for Christmas, so I'm just ready to open this up for you guys. So first of all, let's check out this box. I mean, since this is a cooking channel, I definitely had to get the Nick box that was, you know, featuring like food items or whatever. So yeah, this looks so awesome. So this is how the box looks on the side. This is the back. Looks really cool. This is the other side. This is... oh, let me flip it over so you guys can get a better view. Oh wait, put it the wrong way. Yeah, this way is better. And the main reason I also wanted to get this fridge looks just like one of the fridges in one of the episodes of the Rugrats. It was called Runaway Reptar. I'm gonna put a picture on my Instagram. But when I saw it, I was like, oh man, that looks just like the one in the cartoon. So I knew I definitely had to get this box. So anyway, without further ado, let's go ahead and open this up. It's supposed to be, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This looks so awesome already. Okay, I don't want to look at this because this is going to tell you like what's in it or whatever. So, oh man, this is like, wow, first off. Oh man, I love Rocco's Modern Life. This is crazy. Yeah, I remember this episode. He was like super delusional when he was sick. Oh man, these are so dope. I love enamel pins too. I totally collect a bunch of these. I'm gonna have to show you guys my collection. But this is awesome. And this is the back. Is this the right episode? Yeah. This is like when he was seeing like visions, I think. I don't know. I may be wrong. But I'm thinking that was the episode, right? I have to look this up. This is so dope. Alright, let's go ahead. And oh my god, I love Good Burger. This is so funny. Good Burger was like my favorite movie when I was a kid. And it's supposed to be a squishy. Man, I usually like to use like a spatula when I open boxes, because I don't, you guys see that? I hate like making that dent. Oh, it's killing me. I want to go get a spatula so I can open this up, but you guys know what? Hold on, give me one sec. I'm trying to see if I have something that I don't want to damage the box. Hold up. Hold on guys, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I don't have a spatula, but I'm just going to use a nail file because I hate creating that little dent in my boxes. It's like, oh, that's killing me right now. Alright, cool. Let's check this out. Oh wow. Look at this little silica packet is stuck to it. Okay. So this is the box. Oh man, a Good Burger squishy. Oh, it's so squishy. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this is dope. I love this. This is awesome. Yeah, it's definitely like one of the slow rising squishies. I like this. This is fun. I don't want to squish it too much. It's like, oh man, I don't want to damage it. Alright, cool. Alright, let's put this to the side. Okay. I love Reptar, you guys. Like, I'm going to make like 30 videos on Reptar. You guys have no idea. I'm going to show you guys my collection. Oh man. This looks super awesome. already. It's a kitchen timer. Wow. It's big too. Let's check this out. Peel this off. Because I'm definitely going to be using this. This is not like something I'm going to keep on the shelf. I'm going to be baking, so you guys are going to see this like in a bunch of my videos. This is dope. I don't want to put like the alarm. It's like super late right now. I don't want to wake everybody up. But this is really cool though. I'm loving this. Reptar on ice. Cool. This is the box. And it looks the same. This is really nice, you guys. This box is like totally worth it. This is wild. Oh man. Hey Arnold. When they dressed up. This costume always made me uncomfortable though. Gerald dresses as strawberry. This is cool. Magnets. Let's take them out. This is cool. They're really good size too. I love putting magnets up in my fridge too, so these are definitely really nice. I love these. These are cool. Alright. Oh, I don't even want to look at him yet because that looks so good. Now this, like, when I got the box, I was like, I could not remember. I love the wild Thornberrys too. But I could not remember the, because these are supposed to be like the Jolly Good sardines. I don't ever remember that. In the episode. So let me see what this is. Oh, socks. This is so nice. Wow. Check out the socks. These are really nice. Let's see what this say. Oh, it just says made in China on the bottom. Thought I was gonna say like Jolly Good or something like that on the bottom. That would have been really cool too. These are really cool. I'm loving these. Winter time. Definitely will be using these. But I'm loving the box though. It's like really nice packaging. That's really cool. Alright. Let's see. Oh man, tote bag. Oh, no, it's not a tote bag. This. Oh my god, you guys. Powdered toast, man. I love powdered toast, man. It's like another one of my favorite characters from Ren and Stimpy. Oh man, this is cool. Yes, I'm loving this. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. I definitely had a video planned for him, so that's like perfect timing. Wow. Oh look, let's check out this tag. Ren and Stimpy. I'm gonna like scrapbook this tag. This is like really cute. Alright. Then we have, what is this? A Good Burger. What is it though? I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to look at the card. Is it like a pillowcase? What the heck is this? It just says, is this a bag? Oh my god, you guys. This is like, I don't see a zipper. I mean, what the heck is this? Oh, okay. Is it like, oh yeah, here we go. Yeah, I'm guessing it's a pillow cover. Oh man, I'm definitely have to buy a pillow that will fit in here now. Oh man, this is so dope. I'm loving this. Wow, there's like, this box is totally worth it. Hold on, let me fix the screen a little bit. Alright. You guys know Reptar is my favorite character. So, anything Rugrats, I hope something else that's Reptar in here. Okay, oh man. So the cookie stamp, yes. Let's get, well, let me look at this first. So we have Tommy, Chucky, and Angelica. That's definitely cool. I wish it was a Reptar. That would have like, man, would have been the best thing ever. But I'm happy with that. So I guess this, whatever. Yeah, you just stick that. Okay, I'll have to stick it in later. It's a little hard. But then you just go like this. Pop it in. And I guess you just press it into a cookie stamp. I'll definitely be making a couple of videos with these. This is cute. Loving this. Love the little pouch. It's really nice. Alright. And the last one, oh man, Mr. Tasty. Wow, this is, let's check out the box first. It's the side, the back. Alright, let me take them out. Alright, try to be careful. There we go. Pop it open. I'm keeping this in the box. I don't know. I don't want him to get like messed up. This is dope. Wow. It's a really nice figure too. It's a good size. These were like tornado bars, I believe. Something like that. This is really nice. Wow, like even check out the detail, the crease behind the knees. This is really good. Like I wasn't too much into like Pete and Pete, but I always remembered the Mr. Tasty episode. So, and I also like the fact that it comes with this little stand. Oh, I don't know, whatever. You guys can see. I don't want to pop it out right now. But this is the back. Alright, cool. Stick them back in here. There we go. Cool. And then let's check out the inside of this box, because this really looks really nice too. So this is cute. Look at Spunky in the fridge from Roccos. Oh man, this is so cool. Alright, let's check out the other side of the box. This is so nice. I'm loving this, you guys. This is awesome. So this was the Nick box. Totally worth it. So that was like one. Let's count the items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The set 7, 8, 9. That's great. Oh, 10. Man, that's totally worth the cost. Oh, and this is the final card. This is all the items that were included. I'm loving all of this. So yeah, this is really awesome. I'm really happy with the Nick box. I'm definitely gonna keep the membership, and I'll leave a link in the description so you guys can get a coupon code. I think it's like $10 off your subscription. So this item is definitely worth the deal. And make sure to subscribe, make sure to like this video, and keep checking back every day, because I'm definitely going to be dropping some more videos on a consistent basis. And thank you guys for checking out, and I hope you guys have a great night. Bye bye.